Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I've been having a lot of fun with my blow dryer, doing air swipes or Dutch pours, and I was able to get some new Extreme Sheen colors. This is a Garnet. It's gorgeous. And I have my 24 karat gold. And this is a pearl. I might have to thin the pearl down just a little bit. What I've done is I've mixed these 50% paint, 50% Floetrol, and then I add a little bit of water so that I can swipe them with the blow dryer so they move with the blow dryer. So I'm looking for a consistency that just leaves a tiny mound, and it's really hard with the metallic paints to see what a tiny mound is because they're so iridescent. See there, it's disappearing real quick. So that looks good, just like that. Make sure I have that stirred in well. I've already put my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White on the canvas. So I think what I'm going to do, I might put a little bit of phthalo blue in here. Do I want to or don't I want to? No, I'm just going to go with these three colors that I picked. Put a puddle of my magenta down. Puddle of the pearl down. And then some gold in there. These are all metallic, so I'm not sure. They're all the Extreme Sheen metallics. I'm not sure exactly what they're going to do. Usually we get awesome cell action when you mix them with other tube paints. But in this case, I don't have any other tube paints that I'm putting in with it. I'm going to hold this up a little bit so it doesn't all fly off. Pick it up. I already have some cells starting here. Torch. And I'm going to blow it out before I lose it all. It's starting to run. Ooh, wow. I don't think I'm going to touch it anymore. I'm going to give it a torch. But I don't see anything else I want to change on this. The gold is way up in here. It's so pretty. That pearl left some awesome lacing down in here. Just awesome. Wow. Put it up and let you have a look. Check that out. It's so pretty. I am really, really loving the way these DecoArt Extreme Sheen paints react. That lacing right there, it's just really, really pretty. It's even on the side of the canvas that I can't tip to show you, but it's beautiful. Very pretty. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. Appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you right away. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.